Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. Our first topic is about relationships with other people. Tell me about a family celebration you enjoyed. Well, I enjoyed a family celebration on last Sunday. It was the birthday of my nephew and the whole of my house was fully decorated with balloons and decoration lights. One more thing I want to mention is that it was a charming atmosphere. We enjoyed well, we cut the cake and we had a dinner. My nephew was so much happy and I also gifted him a bicycle. Are there any characteristics that most of your friends share? Yes, there are many characteristics that most of my friends share. They are helpful to each other and talking about more, they respect each other. They also have a sense of humor. They stand with each other in their hard times. Last but not least, they also give emotional support to each other. Do you prefer to spend your free time with friends or family? As I am a family person, I prefer to spend my free time with my family. Because I love my family so much, I stay at home and spend time with my mother and my siblings. We enjoy so much by helping each other and taking care of each other. How do you usually keep in touch with people who live far away from you? People who live far away from me are in contact with me via WhatsApp and phone calls and also text messages. I prefer WhatsApp voice notes because it has the benefit that everyone can reply in their free time and we can also listen their voices and talk about different situations. Where do you like to do your homework and why? I like to do my homework in my own room. It is very attractive room with white painted wall. I also have LED lights which make it more brighten, and in this room no one is going to disturb me. I also have a table and a comfortable chair on which I can do my homework easily. Which subject has been the hardest for you to understand? Mathematics is a hard subject for me because I am not good at maths. It's so difficult for me. Different formulas of maths make me confused all the time. And I want to mention one thing about maths is that I also can't understand algebra and geometrical questions. What new skills would you like to acquire in the future? There are different kind of skills I would like to acquire in the future. I want to work upon Amazon. It has a very bright future and people are earning a lot of money from Amazon. Talking about more, I want to learn German language because I am planning to move forward towards Germany. What have you enjoyed most about your education so far? I have enjoyed a lot of things about my education. At first, I want to mention some things about my university. My university life was very good and beneficial for me. I missed my friends and my teachers. I got a lot of skills from university like the stage confidence and also speaking English. The whole atmosphere of my class was so much friendly. Tell me about a beautiful place you have visited. I have visited a lot of places, but now I want to mention a beautiful place that's name is Alex Hotel. It is situated in southern Punjab province and it is so much attractive. The best thing about Alex Hotel that it is present on the top of mountain having two waterfalls nearby. There are a lot of facilities given there and the food is also very tasty. What environmental factors should people consider when choosing how to travel? There are few environmental factors that people should consider when choosing how to travel. At first, I want to talk about the climate. They should have the knowledge of the climate, that what will be the climate during their journey and their destination, and also they should have knowledge about the way. They should also take help from Google Maps to make their journey more secure and safe. What do you remember about the first books you read? I remember a lot of things about the first books I read. These were the novel stories, and these were also very suspicious kind of stories. I liked them so much in my childhood. I was also interested in reading magazines. Magazines keep me updated about the celebrities I loved in my childhood. Do you prefer reading print or online newspapers and magazines? Well, I prefer to read online newspapers and magazines because it is easy for me to read anywhere from my mobile phone, and I can download them. I can also zoom in as much I want, and these also contain a lot of beautiful, a lot of attractive, colorful graphics that make me read more. Do you think people will continue to read printed books in the future? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so, because in future, according to my opinion, people will not continue to read the printed books. They will study the books online, and they will download the books in their mobile phones, and it will be more beneficial and preferable way for them to gain knowledge.